I'm Lana McCoy, a dominatrix in Palm Springs. I've done this work too long. I'm angry at myself.
Here you are again. I know what you do in there. I'm gonna call the police. Do you hear me? I'm gonna call them right now. You are going to jail!
Did I hear the old hawk out there?
Sure did for the millionth time.
Got your week scheduled.
Great, give me 30.
Okay. Hurry up. I got some chicken.
Yep.
All right. Okay. You got Daniel Thursday at 8. He's been in a few times, but not in a while. Do you recall him?
Not really.
He likes verbal humiliation, sexual dancing, you know.
Okay, great. So one from column A and one from column B.
Okay, slapping, but keep it light.
And one from column C.
Let's see, you've got a Japanese businessman, Hiromi Kawasaki, at 8:30 on Friday. And it's something light stuff. A novice, I think. He likes a diapers routine.
Let me see his paper.
All the jobs like diapers. What's that about? It's your basic mommy show.
So he wants a house coat and slippers.
Something like that.
What's on tonight?
Sammy Martinez.
That's it?
No. This Saturday you've got a private jet to LA back the same night.
Oh, God. You know I don't like traveling anymore.
It's 10,000, Lana. And he likes an elaborate show.
What the fuck does that mean?
He's a British something.
A British something what?
A lord or a duke or something bougie like that.
Okay, but I'm not flying back the same night. Have him get me a suite at the Sunset Hotel and make it 15.
He expects a big dress up. Be rude, tease him, close your legs, open them, end it with slapping. No blood. You know the deal.
It's showtime.
¡Au! Hija de tu madre.
Good evening.
Make me a Manhattan.
You're beautiful. Everything a man could want.
I don't want your opinion. Bring it here. On your knees.
My knees are bad. I can't get up.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Who's that?
Elizabeth,
I didn't ask her name. I asked who she was.
my wife.
So you wanted to watch?
Well, with your permission.
No. I don't want you with her. You're with me.
No, of course, I'm with you. Just you. How's your Manhattan?
Sit. No, across from me, you twit. Roger, why'd you bring me here from Palm Springs?
You're beautiful.
You've already told me that. And I told you, I don't want your opinion.
No.
Look at her one more time and I will slap you silly, then walk. Hey. Me. Eyes on me. I'm in charge. Come here. Here. And what is up with your wife? Jesus. Come here. Come a little closer. Just a little closer. Come a little closer. Closer. Close. What do you want, Roger? It can't be that hard. Tell me what you want. Roger? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want!
I expected more, younger and fresher. I paid a lot. Younger and hot. Actually hot. If Roger were honest for a change, he would say the same. Say it. Just say it! God, say it, you loser! Say it. Just say it. Say it, you loser.
I hoped.
God damn it, say it. I want you to get what you want.
We really wanted someone younger, someone more slutty. We are disappointed.
Go to hell. Both of you.
Wait! I'm here. Wait! I'm here in charge! Where do you think you're going? Pleasing him is everything for me. Hey, stop! 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 Where are you going?
Now what, Lana, my dear? What are you going to do?